Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm revisiting a wig that I had reviewed in its previous incarnation. This is the Long Plus by Wille in the color Dark Sand Rooted. I originally reviewed this one. It was the Long New. They've retooled it a little bit and re-released it, and it made me think I should revisit it now that they've done a little bit of work on it. This is a really pretty wig. It's got a little bit of body at the crown. Very nice, relatively light hair density. The hair feels really nice. It's not too slick feeling. It's a little on the dry side. It makes it so it has a really nice healthy sheen without looking too costumey shiny. It's just really pretty. Let me go ahead and do a 360 so you can see what Long Plus looks like on all sides. Texture on here is very straight, layered, very soft. Works beautifully with the very light denier of the hair fiber from the Wille line. It's a bit like European hair, very, very fine hair. You can see this color is a really pretty dark sandy blonde. The overall effect is quite ashy, but when you get really close on it, you can see hints of all sorts of colors sort of mishmashed up in here. You can see hints of ash blonde, you can see ash brown, you can even see some medium brown in there, and little flecks of amber. So it's got a lot going on, but the overall impact is that it looks like a dark ash blonde, just a really dynamic one. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off now so I can show you the cap construction. Long Plus has a very lovely contoured lace front. They put the light color from the hair blend right at the front hairline, so those knots are really nice and light and they blend right into your scalp. It also has a left side monofilament part in addition to a little bit of permatease on the opposite side from where the part is, and then you also have a little bump of it here at the crown. She's open wefted on the sides, and in the back she has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, and she also has felt on the ear tabs. Pretty stretchy here. Very nice hair density. Fits really securely on me. I would say this is a true to average size wig. Here is what this wig looks like up close and personal from the back. You can see all this very soft layering and how beautiful this dynamic color is up against all that layering. The front on Long Plus is 7 inches. The crown down is 13, the sides are 11.5, and the nape is 14.5. This is a 4.7 ounce wig, so for how long it is, it has very nice light hair density. This wig will probably not need to be thinned on most people unless you're really petite. It has a really luscious, soft texture in the front. Let me show you that lace front. Very pretty, well knotted. You can see it's a little sparse, and then you get closer up to the rest of the cap. You can see how this part is really transparent. You can see where my wig cap ends there. If that sort of thing bothers you, just use a little bit of concealer to conceal that. This is a really nice wig, but you'll want to make sure that you get some silicone spray or something to put on the end so it doesn't tangle, because long wigs totally tangle. They do. I'm Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Please be sure to check out our store if you get a chance, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We release new videos all the time. We do, and our friend Taz helps us out too. So we have lots and lots of video content for you to check out. So be sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. And until next time, have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.